Hello, welcome to the video about the demonstration of WebRA. First, after entering the URL of WebRA, the annotators will be led to the login interface. The annotators should enter their user ID and click the OK button. And then we will enter the annotation interface, and the annotators can continue at the phrase they created last time. And as we can see, the questions on the top of the interface will tell the annotators which phrase they are currently in, and they can also check their user IDs and the progress of their annotations. For example, I have just annotated 6 candidates and none of them passed the verifications. And if the annotators are new to the relation alignment, they can click the help button. The help bottom shows everything about relation alignment and the meanings behind each options. So, and it also provides some examples. Each example corresponds to one typical case in relation alignment. So if they have troubles, they can always turn to these examples. And as we can see, the middle of the interface is the graph of a candidate pattern, also called a structural relation pattern, and the words below is the triple pattern, and the triple pattern and the candidate pattern shares the same start entity and the end entity. These two entities are colored in deep blue, and the other two entities are colored light blue. And now let's start the annotation. If the annotators are not familiar with the entities in the graphs, they can just click the bottom. For example, if they do not know where Texas is, they can click the entity, and it will lead to a results page of the entities on the knowledge graphs, so the annotators will have a better understanding of the entity. For example, Texas is a state in United States, so they can perform a more accurate annotation. If the annotators do not know certain entities on the patterns, they can also alter the instance. It will show another instance of the pattern. As we can see, the relation on the graph live-in is closely related to the relations on the triple pattern, the residence. But we cannot infer that this people is the residents of Texas, because we cannot just infer that these people live in Texas according to these two people graduated from the same universities. So in this case, we should click the consistent in semantics but inconsistent in logical structure. And we just finished the annotations of one candidate for relation alignment, and we can continue this process until we get enough data for the relation alignment, and that's all.